First and foremost, welcome all my new followers and all my new subscribers. In this video, you're going to learn how to make this. So this is a meal that you don't really want to cook and it's hot outside and you really don't feel like standing over the stove that long. These are lobster rolls. So what you're going to do is go grab a whole fresh lobster. You're going to steam it and break it down. You're going to grab these. These are langostinos. This is lobster as well. You can get that from Trader Joe's. Then you're going to take a hot pan. You're going to add 2 tablespoons of my compound butter I showed you guys how to make on my YouTube channel. Then you're going to go ahead and add the lobster and the langostinos to the pan. You only need to warm these up for about 2 minutes, no longer, because they are pre-steamed. So if you notice, I did not season the meat because all of the seasoning and the herbs are in that compound butter. This is a very flavorful dish and you do not need to add anything extra unless you want to. So again, you're going to let this cook for a couple minutes and then you're going to take a strainer and you're going to take half of the fresh lemon. You're going to squeeze that lemon into the pan. Make sure you do not get any seeds in. That's why I'm doing this technique right here. Your pan is going to be on medium to low heat. And again, please do not cook this more than a couple minutes. So the next thing you're going to do is grab some split top buns. So these are brioche buns. I got these from Trader Joe's as well. So right here, I'm just showing you what they look like at the top. And then what you're going to do is you're going to spread some mayo instead of butter on each side. You're going to grab a cast iron skillet and you're going to toast them for a couple minutes. And when you flip them, it should look just like this. You will not taste the mayo. Please do not be alarmed. I need y'all to just do it. If you do not like mayo, just go ahead and use the butter. But I'm telling you, the mayo is on a different level. So now what you just want to do is open them up and then take your meat mixture. Y'all see how that look? It tastes exactly how it looked. And you just want to fill it. So 1 lobster and 1 bag of the langostinos is going to get you 2 lobster rolls. If you go to a restaurant or something, they're going to be like really small or whatever because they portion it out. No, stuff it. Stuff all that meat in each one. So after you get the meat stuffed in, you want to go ahead and grab some fresh chives. You're going to get that chopped up finely. And then you're going to take the other half of the fresh lemon and you're just going to slice them up into wedges. So if you are somebody that does not like seafood and does not like people eating seafood, please exit the video. You should have exited the video the moment that you saw what it was. So after you get all the meat stuffed in, you are going to just take that lemon wedge and you're just going to squeeze it on top of the lobster rolls. So 1 lemon wedge should be enough. Now, if you package this and you take this with you, I'll just bring another one. So now what you're going to do is take the chives and sprinkle it on top of each one. So that is it for this video. Let me know what you guys want to see next below.